The main work that colons do is take nutrients and water out of the food that cannot be digested and break down the food that was not digested in the small intestine. Also, colons remove solid waste from the body. When there are times when the colon doesn't work properly and starts to intake the toxin, instead of removing them. This causes a headache, constipation, weight gain, low energy, fatigue, and chronic illness. There are a lot of ways available for cleaning the colons, but for most people, simple and natural cures are the best. Well, before opting for any colon-related treatments, don't forget to talk to your doctor, especially when it comes to taking any kind of treatment related to colons. 1. Yogurt. Eating fresh yogurt all the time is a good way to keep the colon healthy. Yogurt is a probiotic food. It can bring good bacteria into the gut and help digestion. It can also fight inflammatory bowel diseases. This is especially true of yogurts that have live and active cultures. 2. Ginger. It helps in digestion by making the digestive juices flow. You can use ginger in multiple forms like grated, as a juice, or as cut up pieces for natural colon cleansing. 3. Flax seeds. Because flax seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and natural fibers, adding them to your diet is a great way to clean your colon. Flaxseed will take in the water and then swell in the colon. It helps in forcing out the toxins and mucus as the water passes through. It can also block cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Unfiltered apple cider vinegar helps flush out waste from our bodies while retaining the beneficial bacteria. Drinking apple cider vinegar with honey cleans the colon and restores the digestive system. Consuming this mix and utilizing a squatty potty to ease constraints on your digestive tract will help your poo slide right out of you. Mix raw apple cider vinegar and honey in equal quantities, 2 tablespoons. Mix it in 1 cup of water and drink it once daily. It will not only remove the toxins but includes tons of other benefits such as preventing diabetes and lowering bad cholesterol.